In this video, I'm going to show you how to make footer smaller in Wix. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and then scroll all the way down to your footer. As you can see, this is the current size of my footer. And to be fair, I could do with making it a little bit smaller so that it's more user-friendly and it kind of shrinks the page in general. Now, officially, there isn't a way for you to actually make the footer smaller, especially if you're using a template like I am in this case. So there is two ways you could resize the footer and make it smaller. The first way is to simply click on the footer and highlight it and then press the delete button like this, and then use this button right here to shrink it to the size that you want your footer to be, and then use that as a guide to add new elements into it and then just design it just the way you want. Now, if that doesn't work with you and you want to keep the contents of your footer at the moment, like I'd like to, what you can do is basically remove all the empty space in between the different elements. In this case, I've got a logo right here, which is pretty big. However, I can move it up a little bit, and then I can do the same for all the different texts that I have in my footer right here. It's just glitching out a little bit for some reason. So I'm just going to move these up, and then all that blank space in between all the different elements is going to be pushed down. And that way, I'm going to show you how to shrink the footer in just a second. Let me just get all of these elements upwards just like this. I'm going to push this up here just to show you, and there we go. We have this empty space right here right now. So in order to make the footer smaller, you can't really do it with this button right here because this is as small as the footer is going to be. So what you need to do is try and grab the line of the actual strip. This can be quite tricky and it can take a few different tries. Oh, there we go. I managed to grab it from the first try, and then simply drag it all the way up and then just release. And once you've done that, what you can do is, that text should be somewhere down here, just like that. And then once you're happy with the footer that you've just designed, head over to preview and let's see what it looks like. Now I'm just going to scroll all the way down. And as you can see, there is my footer right here. It is now significantly smaller than what it was before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make footer smaller in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.